to that part?
Yes, I did. No, I knew. I actually thought it would be bigger. This is Gary. He was the one that told me it would be bigger. Okay. No, I didn't know.
Gary here comes with you everywhere.
Gary is, he's sort of, what is that? Gary's tongue is 2 times the size it should be. I'm not kidding, I was gonna pierce it, but then, and he doesn't have teeth on one side so that it tends to just be like a little flesh waterfall. Comes out like that. And he loves you all very much.
So he's been doing photo ops with you also?
He has been. Gary is, what is that word for my familiar? He's my familiar. So if you're looking for him, me, somebody, here I am.
So a lot of people don't know that after Return of the Jedi, your work with Princess Leia had finished, but not necessarily your work with Star Wars. And you had done some work